Hello students, in this video I'll tell you the shortcut for sugar industry. The first shortcut is GK India. Indians have more GK, okay? So what it means, that is GK, G stands for Gur and K stands for Kansari. So India holds first position in the production of Gur and Kansari. Then India holds second position in the production of sugar, that is SS, that is second sugar India, okay? Then third shortcut is BTS concept, reduces stress. That also you can add, BTS concept reduces stress. So B stands for bulky, sugar industry is bulky, and T means haulage, that is transportation. While transportation, the sucrose content in the sugar reduces. So content is CON, concept I have given, right? So content, sugar, in sugar sucrose content is present. So while transportation, the sucrose content reduces. Then location, that is sugar industries are located in this region. So I have given two shortcuts. You can use any one of these shortcuts, okay? The first shortcut is Mahakarna, Tamil, Hari and A. Pradesh got jobs. 5 jobs I have given, right? 5 means in Hindi it is Panch, right? So Punjab, okay? In Gujarat and MP means Madhya Pradesh gave car for outing, okay? So Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Haryana, A Pradesh means Andhra Pradesh. 5 job means Punjab, Gujarat, then Madhya Pradesh, car Bihar, outing. So U is silent, so UT Uttar Pradesh, okay? Another shortcut is mad rat put hat and took car, came out and searched Makkan Beda sweet shop. Mad stands for Madhya Pradesh, rat Gujarat, put PU stands for Punjab, hat HA stands for Haryana, and AND, and that is Andhra Pradesh. Took T, it starts with T, right? So T stands for Tamil Nadu, car Bihar, out, here O is silent, so UT stands for Uttar Pradesh. Then Makkan Pedas, so here MA stands for Maharashtra, KA stands for Karnataka. That's all. Then I told, right, that is fourth shortcut. So all MP gave car for outing. So all went outing through car. So the car is so congested. So they cooperate and adjusted and they sat inside the car, okay? Then during travel they saw 60 mills, okay, and they saw sea and enjoyed nature. So what it means, you can relate it like a story and I'll explain what it means, okay? All went outing through car. So maximum that sugar mills are concentrated in outing. UT stands for Uttar Pradesh, car means Bihar, and 60 mills, I told, right, 60 mills they saw. So 60% of mills are concentrated in this region and it is congested and all sat cooperated and all sat inside the car. So cooperated, this industry is very suitable for cooperative sector, okay? And they saw sea and enjoyed nature, I have given, right? So sea means this industry is seasonal, enjoyed nature, this industry is seasonal in nature. Next I will tell you about my friend Maha. Maha is my friend. She liked to wear traditional and western outfits. She completed HSC, that is higher secondary course, okay? Then she is so sweet and she has long curly hair. So what it means, let's see. Maha is my friend, so Maharashtra, and This industry is mostly concentrated in traditional and western outfits. I have given, right? So traditional means southern region and western outfits, western states. So this industry is concentrated in southern and western states, particularly Maharashtra. Maha is so sweet, that is, in Maharashtra the sugar cane is so sweet. That means you take HSC, that is high sucrose content, because it has high sucrose content. Then she has long curly hair, I mentioned, right? So long crushing season. Okay. Then the last one is challenges. Okay, what challenges faced by the sugar industry? Omni delayed because of maximum of bags. Many students may use Omni for traveling, that is coming to school, right? So using that you can relate. Okay, many students come in the same Omni means they have maximum bags. So because of the maximum bags, that Omni traveling time of Omni delayed. Okay, so you like that, you can relate. Okay, Omni delayed because of maximum number of bags. OM, that is old method of production, and delayed. So Omni delayed means transportation delay, and maximize the use of baggage. Baggage means it is a dry residue after the extraction of juice from the sugar cane, and the dry residue will be used as a fuel. So we have to increase the usage of baggage. Okay, so this is one of the challenge. I told already that this industry is seasonal in nature. That is also one of the challenge. Okay, old method of production and transportation delay and seasonal in nature, then maximize the use of baggage. Okay, I hope you understood. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video till the end.